Hello everyone, this is the reality of maths. How can we solve this question in a very easy and simple way?
Solve x squared plus 6x minus 7 equals 0. Now let's see how to solve this question. X squared plus 6x minus 7 equals 0. Now for me to solve this question, I'm going to just do 4 procedure. The first one, I will move the constant. So I'm going to move this constant, which is minus 4, to the other side, Then the second one, I'm going to divide the coefficient of x by 2. Then the next step, I'm going to square the results, and finally I'm going to add it to both sides. Now with this 4 procedure, I'm going to use the 4 procedure to answer the question x squared plus 6x minus 7. Now the first one says move the constant to the other side. The constant, which is minus 7, and we have to take it to the other side. And when it's going to the other side, remember that our minus becomes positive. So I'm going to have x squared plus 6x equals 7. I'm done with the first procedure. Now the second procedure, which says divide the coefficient of x by 2. Now the coefficient of x is 6. This is the coefficient of x here. So this is the coefficient of x. So I'm going to divide it by 2. So if I divide it by 2, it gives me 3. So now the third procedure, which says square the result. Now the result I have here is 3, and by the time I square it, it gives me 9. Fourth procedure, which says add it to both sides. Now this is the question. This is the first side and this is the second side. So I'm going to add it to both sides. I will have x squared plus 6x, add it, then I'll add plus 9 equals 7. Add it to the other side too, and I have plus 9. Now then I can now solve the quadratic equation. I have x squared plus 6x plus 9 equals 7 plus 9 gives me 16. Then from here, if I factorize this one, I will have x plus 3. If you don't know where the 3 is coming from, you can just come and check from where you divide the coefficient of x, which is 3 here. So that's where we have 3. So but I will have to put the square. So I bracket here and I put x plus 3, which is that 3 where I divide the coefficient of x, then I put square, then equals 16. Now the next step is for me to take this square to the other side. And remember, when square is traveling, which is like this, it becomes square root. Don't forget, it becomes square root. So I have x plus 3 equals the square root of 16, and x plus 3 equals plus or minus 4. So the next step is I'm going to have x. I'll just have to take this plus 3 to the other side, and when it's going, remember, it's going to have minus. Now this plus or minus 4 simply means I'm going to have 2 answers, and I'm going to have a positive answer, which will be plus 4, and a negative answer, which will be minus 4. So first I'm going to do the x plus 3 equals to the positive 4, and x plus 3 equals to negative 4. So it's just like I separate the 4 into 2 parts, the plus 4 and the negative 4. Then we have for the first one, x equals 4 minus 3, and x equals minus 4 minus 3. And therefore we have x equals 1 and x equals minus 7. Remember, minus 4 minus 3 gives me minus 7. And this is the final answer to this question.